Before using the burette for titration, it should be rinsed first with distilled water, then with the titrant. In this case, the titrant is sodium hydroxide. Make sure the burette stands parallel to the retort stand. Don't forget to close the tap before filling in the burette. Place a funnel on top of the burette and pour in sodium hydroxide solution. Fill up the burette until it is almost full. Open the tap to let the solution flow to the bottom part of the burette. Close the tap. And add more solution. Make sure to remove the funnel before titration. If not, the liquid stuck in between the funnel and the burette will very slowly drop into the burette and change the reading. It is good practice to fill up the burette to almost full, but not necessarily 0.00 milliliter. Anywhere between 0 to 5 milliliter on the scale is fine. Next, measure the volume of acid using a pipette and transfer into a conical flask. Then, add in the indicator. Before starting the titration, make sure the burette is not leaking. If there is any drop of liquid on the retort base, it means the burette is leaking. Pick a different burette and start the whole process again. If not, you are good to go. Now, let's take the initial reading. The initial reading is 2.90 milliliter. Place a white tile beneath the conical flask to make it easier to observe any color change. Start the titration. Stop the titration when the end point is achieved. The final reading is 22.40 milliliter. The volume of sodium hydroxide used in the titration is the final reading 22.40 milliliter minus the initial reading 2.90 milliliter, which is equal to 19.50 milliliters. Always check the burette from two different angles. Sometimes there is trapped air in the burette. Look closely to make sure you don't miss it. What would happen if there is trapped air in the burette while doing titration? All or part of it may be replaced by the solution and the measured volume will be wrong. That is why it must be removed. Open the tap to the maximum, to let more solution to flow in and replace the trapped air. Remove any remaining air bubble by flicking the burette with your fingers. When it is completely removed, close the tap.